Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have some beautiful free-range chicken today with me, and then I have some nice ginger and fresh spring onion. As you can probably guess, I'm going to make it into chicken stew with spring onion and also ginger. First of all, cut the chickens into big chunks, yeah? Then, of course, you slice up, you cut it, cut the spring onion into about few 2-3 inches long, and few pieces of ginger. You can choose to marinate your chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce and oyster sauce if you like. Alright, so first get ready a deeper wok or a deeper pan. Give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger together with the white portion of the spring onion. My spring onion today is very young. Like Appa. Alright, let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. You can put in some garlic if you like. Today Appa is just lazy. Perhaps I can put in some fried garlic. I always get fried garlic at home. Come back shortly. Now you can use either old ginger or young ginger for this dish. Today Appa is using old ginger. I don't have young ginger with me. Alright? But still is very, very aromatic right now. Alright, once you start to see the ginger started to curl up a little bit, and it is super fragrant right now, we can actually put in the chicken. Wow, smells so good. First thing I'm going to add right now is some Shaoxing wine. Let me double check the angle, okay or not? Okay, the focus is good. Right, so now I'm going to tune down the fire. First of all, I'm going to add in some few rounds of light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce for the color. I noticed this dark soy sauce from Lee Kam Kee is not very dark, but it does the tagline says it doesn't get bitter. Okay, this is a bit of oyster sauce. You do need to know some dark soy sauce can make your dish bitter if you put too much. About 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. It's made out of 100% natural ingredient, yeah, and it will bring your dish to the next level. Some salt, some sugar, now I'm going to raise the heat to medium high. Give it a few stir. Next thing, we are going to add in some filtered water. Just nice for all the ingredients to be submerged under the broth. And now we want to bring everything to a boil. Once it is boiling, we can cover it with a lid tuned down to medium or medium low. Let it cook for at least between 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, this is after simmering for the past about 16-17 minutes. You can see the sauce has reduced. Let me give it a few stir. I don't mind keeping a little bit of sauce. If you want to starch it also can if you like. Or you can actually further thicken up by continue the reducing process. Up to you. To me today, I would like to have a little bit of sauce. So I'll put in the spring onion. It will look even nicer if you put in some big slices of red chili also, but my daughter will be eating this, so I'm not going to add red chili. So right before serving, give few dashes of white pepper and a little bit of sesame oil. Right, done. That's how simple it is to make a very, very flavorful ginger scallion chicken at home. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.